Right guys, I planned both boats today for a quick test with speed runs, but it's raining, I'm a bit later back for work, not such a nice night, so I'm going to do a quick one with the Spartan. Got the Sky GNSS on. Because it's raining, I'm not sure you can set up too much, but you can see the speed register in there, so we'll start and let's see how we get on. Sort of some steering trimmings on this because I've put a new rudder on it. Well, it's running the twin setup power hobby one now, so we'll just get a little warm up of the batteries. Sitting nice and stable with these new turn fins too, it feels nicer on the water. Boat's feeling very well balanced. That's the stablest I've ever seen my Spartan ever run. So like I say, we'll get a better video coming soon. Obviously it's raining right now. Just have a little test of this with the dual rudder system. See the water coming out the side there, the twin. So it's just a curiosity what speed we're actually getting. The boat feels very, very good. Let's have a quick look. She's definitely maxed out there. The problem as well, we've got all this rubbish just came floating down, so it's quite hard to get the boat in and out. Stop, read. 40 mile an hour. That's a little bit disappointing to tell the truth. I think I might have the prop in too deep. Might adjust that. Either that or I've got some rubbish in the prop for coming out here. Let's have a look. No rubbish. Yeah, very disappointed with that for top speed wise, but try to think if I'm missing something. I really don't think I am. Let's have a look. Yeah, I don't know if it's anything to do with the pitch of the prop that I've used off my blackjacks. Maybe not as extreme, but it looked more extreme when you put them side by side, so I don't know what the issue is here. Can't get that stuck. There we go. Right, we'll try it there. Give her a little go. Try and chuck her out. And yeah, that's the thing we learn in these boats. Sometimes it goes well, other times not so much. 40 to me is very disappointing though. I've had the boat up a lot faster than that. So where I put the original prop back on, I don't know, but one thing though, regardless of top speed, the boat's handling very well. So I might keep this more for a track setup, to be fair, and do the speed runs with the blackjack, but the turn fins are beautiful. You can see that there. Don't know if raising that was making it any faster. It feels faster, but it's always hard to tell on the water. But like I say, it's a super quick video. Bring her back now. Let's have a look at what speeds we were getting. Sit her here to have a look. Stop. Read. 48 mile an hour. So that shows you there, just by moving the prop up a little bit, how much more speed we got there. Got another 8 mile an hour, and that's with the GoPro also on top of the boat. Bring it in there, all this sludge, it's hard to steer. Yeah, 48, not too bad, not too bad. So, where have I parked her? It's a little bit bummed out with all that rubbish where I usually dock my boats. So this boat likes a high prop. And that's the fear as well, you've always got to watch this going round your propeller, slow you down a lot. So we'll take the camera back off. Don't want to lose any cameras today. I might give it one more go, which will probably be bad luck for me. Raise that prop a little bit more out of curiosity and get the boat in. Trailing a bit of rubbish behind it there. Start. Let's read it one final run, just in and out and back in. This rain's getting a little bit heavier. Got it too high. You can see that there, it's let's have a look. Right, final run. Make sure I'm reading some speed. Yep. Right, here we go. Hopefully if it's nice tomorrow, I might even tie this into the same video, but we'll give it a go tomorrow if it's better weather, but it's just not too good today. Whoa! I'm really impressed with these turn fins though. I mean, look at the way she's sitting. It's a huge improvement. Even trim tab wise, I'm not too concerned about changing them just now. I think I've got them quite nice. Wheelie! Even though a boat can't wheelie, but you can see how that was biting in with the prop. Right, because I'm a bit concerned with all this rubbish here for docking the big blackjack, I'm going to come in now, do one final run back in, and we're going to call it quits today. Right, here we go, all or nothing. There we go, that's us docked. So we'll go and see what speed we got, and I'm going to head home and get my dinner. There's a good example there of strut positions, how much speed difference you can get by having it higher and lower. It's quite drastic, so it shows you the importance of getting that set up right for your boat. This is all stuff I'm learning as I go, because obviously I've had boats but I've never been serious into it, and now I kind of am. Yeah, you know, I'm going to get a stick to bring that there. I don't want to fall in. Yeah, but now I'm right into the boats. I'm trying to learn as fast as I can, to go as fast as I can. So we'll get this in and we'll check the speed. Put in a little bit there. It's horrible. It's like must have been cutting grass up the top and it's all came down. That's where I'm going to watch. It's pretty slippy. Okay, boat in. Let's see these speeds. Stop, read. 49 mile an hour, so that's not too bad for the Spartan so far. 49 mile an hour. Again, I think I need a bigger prop, or a high, maybe not so much bigger in diameter, but bigger pitch prop. My batteries just popped off there. And other than that, yeah, super happy. I think I got a little bit of water in the boat there somehow. It was probably for the top. It's the only thing I don't like, I might put a bit of foam around here on the top of the Spartan because it's got no seal there for splashing. But yeah, not too bad. Get this all out, and like I say, I'm not sure if I'll make this a video or add it into the next video I do. So I'll catch you guys later. And yeah, 49 mile an hour with this traxxas Spartan today, very stable. Not too bad a result. Speeds will come, just setup is definitely the key. Catch you later. Paul out.